folks, here we are again. Sun's going down, still snowing some. Somebody in a ditch. That don't look like too much fun. I have to find somewhere to go dig some donuts. Right now we're getting ready to go through the middle of Matorga shortly. There's trouble hanging on to that thing. My fingers are cold. They don't work so good when they're cold. Got somebody behind me there. He must think I'm a nut, so he's standing on the front behind me. That's good. Snow coming down from behind those around the street lights. Not coming down very hard now. Oh, those lights are bright. I think he was towing a boat, wasn't he? Yeah, the sight's set a little too high. Oh, that's a Popeye. Race again. Saturday evening, Saturday night now. Dogs asleep in the back. Snow blowing across the road. We're getting ready to have a whiteout. Whoa, look at that. Serious stuff coming down there. I mean, with the wind and everything. Alright, let's see if I can get hit by a snowplow. Alright, people. Pedestrians. Watch them pedestrians. JJ got his light cleaned off, ready for tomorrow. Alright, here we go. I remember back in, I think it was the winter of 1966-67. It could have been 65-66. We had 3 feet of snow on the ground and stayed out of school for 2 weeks. We loved it. Of course, we were kids and we didn't realize the education, how valuable it was at the time. But and we all have our different callings. I was just called to be a dummy. The world needs a few of them too. Well, I was a good welder, but I guess some days are over. I have to move forward. Alright, this is going to be, that's Hudson Street there. Well, they haven't plowed any of them streets yet. And they won't get around to it for quite some time. Purcell's Field out there, you can't see much of it, but it's out there, trust me. Alright, I gotta drive like a man with some brains when I come through here now. Yep, everything's quieting down here, Matorga. If you can call it that, Matorga's usually pretty quiet anyway. let's see, where's a good place to dig donuts? Church parking lot would be good. I don't know. Need to go up to the dam and take a look around. Middle of downtown, wonderful downtown Metalka, ladies and gentlemen. Mr. Poole's house over there. CL's house land somewhere, I think. Wells' store used to be right there. Right there. Claggy Wells, he was the superintendent of the school board, president of the school board. I'm not exactly sure what, but he was in his 80s when he passed away. And I remember him and Mr. Donovan and Mr. Gay and Battling Morgan used to sit in there and talk. And Mr. Wells was telling me about his grandfather. Watched Robert E. Lee come right through Metalka here when it was just a dirt road, and his grandfather was just right young. But I heard that from a man who heard it from his grandfather firsthand. And from a guy who was president of the school board and the post office, I believe him. In Metalka School, elementary. You still need them to move that. Too much traffic jams in the middle of Metalka. Looking at my back door. Mike's mama lives over here, so I have to teach her home for her. She's alright. She's 80, I guess. My next door neighbor Buddy, he's about 80. Al Davis, 78, 79. He's the fellow I got the eggs for. And of course, a loaf of bread. He didn't need any milk, that's right. Bread, eggs, and milk. Bread, eggs, and milk. Have your egg sandwich and a glass of milk. With some milk toast. Always come in handy, I suppose. Well, you're going to be stuck in the house for a few days like most of these people are. Well, these people ain't even trying to get out the driveway. A little more light on the subject. I'll tell you one thing, if a deer comes out in front of me, I'm not hitting the brakes. I'm hitting the deer, I suppose. Throw them in the trunk and have me some venison. Hit your brakes and this stuff, I'm mighty afraid you're not gonna stop. Yep. This is main road, is right 36. River Road. Well, I'm going to have to cut this short. 8:42. I got to cut it off at 10 minutes, but I'll have a extra part to this one. It's going to be donut digging. This one here is Metalka Blizzard. The church, I built that church and I never see anybody there, maybe one day a week, but Metalka Christian Fellowship. Oh, the wind is starting to whip now. Okay. Oh, there's a big old chunk of stuff in the road there. So far, so good. Just gotta remember, if you gotta get out and stuff, don't hit the brakes. When I get down on this other road, I will show you why. Going down the dam road, Chesden Road, actually. We call it the dam road. Well, you'll see. I've got to get off here now. Car coming. All right, over.